headed to look at two cars. Got a 1956 Ford, and it's basically a roller. Pretty rough, but we'll see what we can do with it. And I've got a 1970 GMC, looks like an old farm truck, kind of cool looking. I want to buy one of them today. I may buy them both. I don't know. We'll see. Those are going to be project cars that I'll get up and going and sell them. Both of them are fairly rough. No engine, no transmission, so drivetrain's gone. That being said, if you've watched anything or if you guys know me, we know we're going LS. I've got enough parts. I can pick up a couple of short blocks or long blocks real cheap, drop them in there. I've got one transmission. I'll just have to pick up another one and throw them together, make something. Sounds good, runs good. Got a few purrs under the hood. Here we are. We got this 1956 Ford. It is really rough, but it has a cool look. I'd have to figure out something hood-wise and stuff. It's all there, but everything in it comes with it. For the money, I'm really leaning towards this one. We've got 4L60 sitting in it. You don't want it. It's got oil pan, set of heads. Floors are junk, and he hacked the firewall out, which I really wish he wouldn't have. But that's okay. We all live and learn and play games and do stuff. But I think I could make this work. What's this? Oh, look at that. Got a license plate. Jumper cables. And there's a set of 862 heads, no valves. He said he put this Trailblazer pan on there, which those are horrible pans. Horrible. He's got a wiring harness here, so that's that. I mean, this thing could fund a lot of stuff. Well, door panels are rough, along with everything else. I think I'd just reattach and go. That radiator would come with it. Yeah, there's a lot of stuff missing on it, but trunk floor doesn't look awful horrible. That's a good thing. I mean, there's so much junk in this. Who knows? Yeah. Mexican blanket on the front and rear. Leave the headliner, who cares? Windows, windshield. I don't know. I'm gonna kick it around for sure. And then we'll see. Just don't know. So now we're headed over to look at number 2. And we're almost there. This is a 1970 GMC.
In 1,000 feet, turn right onto Crest Lane Drive.
I don't see it yet. Let's see. It says I am here.
Your destination is on the left.
I think that is where I'm going. Yep. Okay, there we go. Excellent. Alright, he's waving me in. Alright, that 70 GMC is pretty rough as well. So we got two rough ones, and the part that I don't like about either of them is both need floor pans like nobody's business. I mean, almost gut them and start over. That GMC I could probably patch, but it's a lot of work. Either way, it might be worth it. I didn't get any footage of it. Me and the guy got to talking and just didn't get footage, but either way, I'll throw up some pictures and you guys let me know what you think. Good morning. We are headed on this beautiful morning out. And we're going to pick up our next project. Truck, trailer ready to go. Got Zach in tow. Well, there he is. Ain't much to look at right now. And it's rough. And I'm talking like what a dog says when he sits on sandpaper. Rough. But I think we can make something cool out of it. What do you think?
It's pretty cool.
Yeah. Yeah, I like me some cars.
A little wobbly.
Yeah, it's probably strapped. I think he's got it wire tied down. So. Yeah.
Cool.
Yeah. We'll take some time, effort.
And some love.
Yep. Cool. Poke that. There you go. Fixed. Oh,
Bam. Oh.
well. $500 detractor right there.
Ah.
Oh well. What you gonna do? Cool old Texas classic plates. Those are cool to hang on the wall.
Yeah.
No, but it's got good shoes on it. You got brand new rims and tires on it. Which I like. Oh, Cooper Cabras. Nice. This comes with her.
Oh yeah. Drop that right there.
$50 off. Broke.
All right.
Drives nice.
Oh yeah.
Coming out.
Brand new bearings.
Wait. We got the rock here. I got it.
Toasty, be careful.
Yeah. Yeah, these Fords like mine, huh? Here, let me get some gumption over here.
Okay. Here, how about I turn trying to think here. Can I back this into the alley right there if it's to the side?
I mean, we got all this to play with. So.
Okay, cool. Cool. I just need to move this. Grab that rock real quick.
That.
Yeah, because she wants to go. Look at that. This thing is so nice, it wants to go. Just throw it out of the front of one of them tires.
Yep.
There we go.
Good.
All right.
Looking good. Make sure and hit your head.
Yep, I'm working on it. This will make someone real happy one day.
One day.
Yep.
Not too long. Not too long from now.
Yep. a little. This is going to come through here. I'll probably get started on it in the next about 3 weeks, and it's just going to be a 5.3 60E. You know, nothing crazy swap. So I may drop it down a little bit. You know, get some. I don't know on the outside what I'm going to do, but my wife's got all kinds of ideas, and I'm like, awesome, that'll work.
Yeah, I mean, that's what this was. I had the 312 running in it. I took it on the highway 1 or 2 times, and it needed time, and then I snapped the distributor trying to adjust it. That was fun to find out. That's $500.
Those are just so expensive to work on. I don't blame you for getting rid of it. So cool. Thanks, Steven.
Yes, sir.
Appreciate you, buddy.
Absolutely.
All right, I'll get loaded up and get out Dale's way.
Thank you.
Hey, you too. We might need
What?
milkshake.
Oh, yeah. All right.
Hey, you might need to pay for the milkshake though, because I just spent all my money.
All right, here we go.
Whew, it's hot. We headed to pick up the project car. Got 6 miles from home. Almost here. And as luck would have it, of all things, I developed a fuel leak. And this thing blew out an injector O-ring. Issue is right there where that injector goes into the fuel rail. It is just puking. So we'll pop it apart, make this happen. It's always something, right? Crisis averted. She's up and running again. I may replace one fitting on this thing when I get back to the house, but she's alive. You know what I think it is? Why this happened? Because Ford flies. I got Ford on the back of this thing, and it's having some rejection issues. Made it back to the property. Didn't lose any parts. I think we're good. We gotta get some glass for it. Maybe some trim. We're gonna spruce it up a little. That ain't good. What we got? Bondo fiberglass? Yep, a little bit. Well, I'll be. I may just go Black Betty on this one. And literally no trim. Kind of fill in some of those spots and throw it together. We'll see. It's all up in the air looks wise. But you guys know me. LS Power. 5.3, nice cam, 4L60, rock and roll. Stay tuned.